I'm going to wrap orders at McDonald's. Ha 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 ha.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. How may I take your order?
I need a double cheeseburger, hold the lettuce, don't be frontin'. So no seats on a bun. We be up in this drive-thru order for two. I got so craving for number 9 like beef shoe. We need some chicken up in the in this dizzle. Brizzle my nizzle, extra salt on the frizzle. Dr. Pepper my boy and other for you mama. Double super size. And don't forget the fries crispy.
Oh 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 oh. Dora, I can't believe you wrapped orders at McDonald's. That's it. I'm calling your parents.
No 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 no.
Hello. Is this Dora Marquez's parents? Then your daughter wrapped orders at McDonald's. Please ground her.
What? Dora wrapped orders at McDonald's? Oh my god. She is grounded. Thanks for telling me about this. Dora, we can't believe you wrapped orders at McDonald's. That's it. You're grounded for 23 weeks.
No, go upstairs to your room right now.
I shouldn't have done that.